category, but we have many more awards to go. Still, we don't want to miss the chance that we are having Dr. Prasad Joshi here. We don't get this opportunity every day, and I'm sure what he is going to say would definitely enlighten us all. First, he will be felicitated since we are having him on stage, and he came from so far to meet our request. So first we are going to felicitate him. After that, he will say a few words, and definitely whatever he says will benefit us all. Dr. Prasad Joshi is here within us today. It's our pride, and he is being felicitated. Our secretary is presenting a bouquet to him, and I'm sure whatever he will say.
आदरणीय ज्ञानपीठ, यहाँ पे जब जो विद्वज्जन बैठे हैं, ये व्यासपीठ नहीं, ये ज्ञानपीठ है और सज्जन हो। मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा, 2 मिनट में मेरी बात पूरी करूँगा। मैं महाराष्ट्र पुणे से हूँ। वास्तु एनर्जी साइंस में मैंने डॉक्टरेट किया है और मेटा मेडिसिन थेरेपिस्ट हूँ। यहाँ पे मेटा मेडिसिन थेरेपी वायर है या राइट वायर है। अगर हम ताली बजाते हैं तो कौन सा हाथ पहले आता है ये देखा जाता है। अगर ये राइट हैंड आगे आता है तो ये राइट वायर पर्सन होता है। अगर लेफ्ट हैंड पहले आता है तो लेफ्ट वायर होता है। उसके अनुसार उसके लक्षण देखे जाते हैं और कौन सी निगेटिव मेमोरीज कौन से लेयर में लेफ्ट या राइट ब्रेन में छुपी हुई है उसको डिटेक्ट किया जाता है और उससे डिसीज क्लियर किया जाता है। दिस इज द मेटा मेडिसिन थेरेपी। अगर किसी को स्किन डिसीज है, स्किन डिसीज क्यों होता है तो आउटर वर्ल्ड में प्रॉब्लम है। अभी आउटर वर्ल्ड कॉर्टेक्स लेफ्ट या राइट ये देखा जाता है। अगर आप किसी घटना को देखते हैं, अगर एक्सीडेंट होता है, एक्सीडेंट में अगर आप कोई लाल गाड़ी देखते हो, कोई पेड़ होता है, कोई पीला कलर होता है, तो वो घटना आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाती है। अगर सेम सिचुएशन आप उन्हें एक बार देखते हो, अगर वो लाल गाड़ी पीला कलर सामने आता है तो आप ट्रिगर हो जाते हो, वही साइकिल आपके ब्रेन में चली जाती है। यानी कि नॉर्मल आदमी एक्सीडेंट देखने के बाद वो स्ट्रेस में चला जाता है, फिर रेस्ट में आता है, हीलिंग क्राइसिस, फिर रेस्ट और फिर नॉर्मल। ये ट्रिगर अगर बार बार हो जाए तो आदमी को डिसीज क्रिएट होता है और ये जो मेमोरी निगेटिव ब्रेन में फीड हुई है उसको 10 दिन करना और उसके साथ में रोग का सर्वनाश करना, ये मेटा मेडिसिन थेरेपी है। और ये मेटा मेडिसिन थेरेपी मैं सिखाता हूँ पुणे में। इसका इनोवेशन किया है डॉक्टर रिचर्ड ग्रुप फ्रॉम कनाडा और दूसरे महीने वो मेरे प्रशिक्षक है जिनको मैंने ये सीखा है। और जियोपैथोलॉजी किया है, जियोपैथोलॉजी ग्रीस में की है जो बिलो द ग्राउंड काम करता है। जियोपैथिक स्ट्रेस, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक, हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी, लो फ्रिक्वेंसी पोल्यूशन एंड वास्तु। ये मेरा थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन करके मैं विद्वज्जनों को नमस्कार करता हूँ, प्रणाम करता हूँ। नमस्कार।
Waiting here. May I call on stage Dr. Harisham Haridas. He is a renowned. He was an aeronautical engineer and he is from New Delhi and very well deserves this gold medal. Please welcome on stage Harisham Haridas. Very well deserves this gold medal and he is receiving it from the hands of Dr. Jayanta Bhattacharya. Next we are having Dr. Yogesh Dubey, who is a civil engineer and who has been practicing medical astrology since more than 2 decades, is receiving gold medal award for his outstanding achievement. Dr. Yogesh Dubey, a civil engineer by profession, also has been practicing medical astrology for more than 30 years now. Dr. Jogesh Dubey, receiving gold medal from the hands of Jayanta Bhattacharya. Can we have on stage next Dr. Chandrakant, your hands for him. Dr. Chandrakant Prasad, award is given away by Dr. Jayanta Bhattacharya. I would now request Dr. Jogesh Dubey to please come up on stage.
और मेरे साथियों, मैं 3 साल से मैं ग्वालियर में रहने वाला हूँ और मध्य प्रदेश से आया हूँ। मैं वैसे तो मैं एमपी इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट में स्टूडेंट हूँ, लेकिन मैंने एस्ट्रोलॉजी में भी मैंने बहुत काम किया है। 3 साल से मैं एक प्रैक्टिशनर की तरह काम कर रहा हूँ और खास तौर से मैंने मेडिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजी, मेडिकल एस्पेक्ट है जो एस्ट्रोलॉजी को उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया। मैंने देखा कि ना आदमी की हॉरोस्कोप से
We have still many more awards to go, so I would like to call on stage first the Shiromani awardees, and I'll call one by one, and please come on stage. Dr. Prakshita Bindhani. Dr. Prakshita Bindhani. Dr. Parikshita Bindhani. Dr. Parikshita Bindhani is receiving this beautiful award called Shiromani Award. Dr. Parikshita Bindhani receiving his Shiromani Award. May I request Dr. Jayanta Bhattacharya to give away this award to him. Congratulations, Dr. Bindhani. We are having on stage here Dr. Prasad Suresh Joshi, who just spoke to you and needs no introduction any further. Obviously, he is receiving the achievements and outstanding contributions in the field of alternative medicine. Dr. Prasad Suresh Joshi. Dr. Praveen S. Nishad. Dr. Praveen S. Nishad. Is now receiving Shiromani Award. Dr. Praveen S. Nishad. Dr. Jayanta Bhattacharya is giving away this award. May I call on stage next Dr. Puli Satyanarayan. Dr. Puli Satyanarayan to please receive the Shiromani Award. Dr. Puli Satyanarayan. Dr. Puli Satyanarayan. Dr. Kamal Krishna Banerjee also receiving his Shiromani Award. Dr. Kamal Krishna Banerjee. Dr. Kamal Krishna Banerjee receiving Shiromani Award. Dr. Namita Mishra on stage, please. Dr. Namita Mishra going to receive her Shiromani Award. Dr. Namita Mishra. Dr. Namita Mishra, Dr. Dilip, I would like to announce that Namita Mishra is the widower of Dr. Dilip Kumar Mishra. It is a very sad event. He received an award in the last conference from us and he received the passed away soon after that in a train accident. But his wife, the brave lady, Mrs. Namita Mishra, is carrying away his activities, and she has taken control of the work that was left by her husband and is carrying forward his mission. We heartily congratulate Mrs. Dr. Namita Mishra. Next we have Dr. Jitu Mani Das. Can we have on stage Dr. Jitu Mani Das, please, to receive the Shiromani Award. Next section is International Honeyman Award. Gitu Mani Das, receiving Shiromani Award, came from the beautiful land of Guwahati. Gitu Mani Das, the young lady, receiving Shiromani Award. Next section is the International Honeyman Award. I can see in the audience many of our renowned practitioners in the field of homeo medicinal practice waiting very patiently from the beginning. My gratitude towards them and congratulations. First I will call on stage Dr. Kalidas Naganath Limkar, who has been associated with Alternative Medical Council for a long time and is extremely talented and well-known homeo medical practitioner. Dr. Kalidas Naganath Limkar, receiving the International Honeyman Award. Dr. Limkar, congratulations to you for receiving the International Honeyman Award. Next we have Dr. Asim Das. Dr. Asim Das. Dr. Asim Das. Dr. D. Shine. Dr. Asim Das is next. After him is Dr. V. Shine. Dr. Asim Das, receiving the International Honeyman Award. Dr. Asim Das, this handsome gentleman, receiving his International Honeyman Award. Guwahati, Assam. We are already having on stage Dr. D. Shine. He is from Kerala and he is also receiving the International Honeyman Award. Dr. D. Shine from Kerala. Dr. Vishwanath Mandal. Dr. Vishwanath Mandal, widely experienced homeo practitioner, receiving his International Honeyman Award. Dr. Vishwanath Mandal. Dr. Vishwanath Mandal. Next is Dr. Shravan Kumar Vishwas. He is already very well known to you all, and he will receive his International Honeyman Award. Can I request Dr. Shravan Kumar Vishwas to receive his International Honeyman Award? Dr. Shravan Kumar Vishwas is very popular. Professor Shravan Kumar Vishwas, the President here is giving away the International Honeyman Award. A big round of applause for Dr. Shravan Kumar Vishwas. Dr. Vindra Ashwin Kumar Devsi Bhai is also extremely talented in this field and has come all the way from Gujarat. Dr. Vindra Ashwin Kumar Devsi Bhai. As they say, to shine in your own profession or any field, you need to be a good human being first, and it can be seen in their attitude and in their personalities that all these people who are receiving awards from this forum are indeed a very good human beings in nature. Dr. Vindra Ashwin Kumar Devsi Bhai is also one of them who is receiving this International Honeyman Award. He deserves